everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download EveryDollar application on your iPhone. To download EveryDollar application is a straightforward process. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store. In the search box, type in EveryDollar. Once you find the EveryDollar application in the search result, tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. EveryDollar is a budgeting tool that can help you take control of your finances. Wait for the application to download once you tap on the Get button, and you should be able to get it on your device installed in no time. So that's how you can easily download EveryDollar application on your iPhone in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.